What's up everyone, I'm Tim and this is my channel 40 Times Around, where we talk about everything related to motorcycles, camping, travel, and adventure. And today we're actually going on a little adventure. Just woke up at this really beautiful campsite that I found last night. It's a little chilly this morning. Just these beautiful mountains around here. And basically we're down in southeastern Arizona right now. We're gonna go check out this place called Mount Graham. And they're actually getting ready to close it down for the winter in about 2 days. So I really wanted to get in there and see it before they close it down. It looks really beautiful from the pictures. It's a part of Arizona I haven't really been to. So yeah, we're gonna go check that out today. Stick around. Okay, so I just gotta pack up camp real quick. I'm gonna make a little breakfast. Then we're gonna head down this dirt road, going that way actually. We're gonna have to get on the pavement for a little bit. It looks like there should be some pretty cool dirt roads at the top of this mountain to check out, so definitely looking forward to it. It should be a pretty awesome day. Like I said, it's a little cold and it's probably gonna be pretty chilly up at the top of this mountain. Pretty excited though, can't wait to see this place. To answer a question. In my last video, when I showed you guys what my morning routine typically looked like, you may have noticed I had 2 sleeping bags and no sleeping pad. Well, the story behind the sleeping pad is I lent it out to someone and I thought that laying on a sleeping bag would be good enough. It was not. I slept pretty bad that night. I don't know if you noticed, I was walking a little like I was in a little bit of pain. My back was kind of hurting me. So I got my sleeping pad back, and that was a camping trip last weekend. Now this weekend I'm out camping again for 3 nights. It's been two nights already. This is actually this is the second morning. And I'm trying something a little different. Instead of going with one larger, warmer sleeping bag, I'm gonna try doubling up on 2 medium-sized, medium-warmth sleeping bags and see how that works out for me. So far, it's been pretty wonderful actually. Super toasty warm at night. I got down into about the 30s, maybe the 20s last night. I haven't checked yet, but it got pretty cold and I slept really great, other than a couple of coyotes off in the distance just howling like crazy at about 2 o'clock in the morning. Just a really peaceful campsite. Peeked out my window of the tent a few times and there were just so many stars out last night. There wasn't much of a moon, so it was pretty dark night. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my coffee and then we're gonna hit the road. So anyways, this isn't actually the way out, but I found this last night. I'm definitely gonna have to come back here and do some exploring. I'm pretty sure this is Coronado National Forest that I'm in right now. And it's hunting season right now. And so I was back here last night looking for a campsite. And I met a couple people in a UTV. And I was just asking them, is there anywhere good to camp? And basically, they said, yeah, camp anywhere you want, but there's mountain lions all over here. From what I gathered is, they like these rocks. So I decided to go a little bit away from them just to kind of take precaution. So that's why I slept up a little closer to the road. But I did want to show you guys this beautiful area and this road that I'm definitely coming back to check out again. What a beautiful morning. Just perfect out. So yeah, there's these beautiful clusters of rocks like this. And it kind of reminds me of like Joshua Tree almost. Just a beautiful dirt road, and the condition of the road is pretty wonderful. I don't have any footage from my first few days of this trip because I kind of just needed a few days to just be on an adventure, you know, with no cameras and nothing. And also, it happened to be one of the worst roads I've ever been on. It was kind of a nightmare, you know. I had to unload the bike and hike everything up to the top of a hill. I dropped the bike at least once, had to set it down a few times because I couldn't get the kickstand out. It was really pretty bad, and I was kind of in survival mode, to be honest with you. I have no idea what I was talking about. And yeah, so unfortunately I don't have any footage from that part of my, you know, few-day trip I'm on here, but it was pretty bad. It was scenic, but it was rough. It was really rugged terrain, very rocky, and it's just kind of nice, to be honest, that I get a little dirt road that's just fun and relaxing to ride on. It's really nice, and beautiful scenery to enjoy, you know. This is the other thing too, when it gets so rough and rugged that you have to try so hard, it takes away from the scenery. Like, you don't really get to actually see the scenery. Nice steep sand there. So yeah, I mean, it's just these beautiful clusters of rocks and boulders. I just love this kind of scenery. It's really fantastic. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick, even though that's not really on the way. So, come up here and turn around real quick. That is incredible. I'm definitely coming back here to explore. This is just unreal. If they weren't closing this Mount Graham in the next few days, I would have just hung out here. But I don't want to miss seeing that because I don't think I'm going to be in Arizona next spring. But that's another story for another day. Let's get back to the road and head up to Mount Graham, see what this place looks like.